This is natural milk from walnuts and sunflower seeds, which is way more healthier than cow milk. We got to get over cow milk. That stuff is not healthy for us. It causes a lot of allergies. It causes skin rashes. I did the research on it. It causes a lot of eczema for kids because they having dairy products. The kids can't break that milk down in the body. It's not for us. It's for a cow and its babies. They tricked us to think that milk does the body good. I used to drink milk and it caused a lot of gas, bloating for me. All that. This is the solution right here. Make your kids some of this. This is fresh. I put sugar cane in it to give it that sweet little taste. It's right there. Straight from the earth. All this. And this is warm right now and it tastes like breast milk. Yeah, breast milk is warm and goes sweet like this. Oh man, this banging. Y'all gotta try this. Stop messing with cow milk, man. Cow milk ain't it. And look up casein. I think it's spelled CASEIN. Look up the effects of casein, what it do to the body though. It don't even break down right, the digest in the system. Rashes and allergies from milk products from a cow. We humans, man, we ain't no freaking cow, right? You know, it's just common sense. I evolve. Peace.